Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram inbox not loading problem on your Android phone. Let's begin. First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, Instagram may not be able to load your messages properly. Next, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and select Instagram. Now tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the inbox to load incorrectly. Next, go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Once the update is complete, restart your phone and open Instagram again. If your inbox is still not loading, check whether Instagram has permission to use mobile data. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Instagram, and open Mobile Data or Data Usage. Make sure mobile data and background data are enabled. If the problem still persists, try logging out of Instagram and signing back in. You can also try opening Instagram in a web browser to check whether your messages load there. This can help determine whether the issue is with the app or your account. Finally, if none of these methods work, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once you've installed it again, sign in and check your inbox. That's how you can fix the Instagram inbox not loading problem. Thanks for watching.